Welcome. In front of me is a MAZE Comet, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So I will show this for the default browser, which is Chrome right here. And what you want to do is actually open it. And from here, see if there is any kind of history. As you can see, there actually is a history. And to clear it, there's two ways you can do it. You can either tap on the trash bin that you have right here, and it remove basically each entry individually, or you can tap on the clear browsing data right here, and from here have an option of what you want to remove and from what time period. So beginning of time, or you can just limit it to, let's say, like a past hour or past day, week, whatever it is. I'm not sure exactly how far the history goes, so I'm just gonna do an all time, and then you have the option to clear either history, and you can select each one or specific ones, whatever you like. So as you can see, autofill data, passwords, cache images, cookies, and history itself. I'm gonna select everything just so there is basically no history at all of any sorts. And then I'm gonna tap on clear data, and you can choose whatever one you like and need, and then do the same. And as you can see, once you tap on clear, go back to the history page where now it's just completely clear. There's no entry here at all. So that's basically how you clear browsing data. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.